This protocol allows researchers to obtain distinct fractions of a cell without the use of specialized equipment, expensive reagents, or complex techniques. The primary advantage of this protocol is the simplicity of the techniques, which make it modifiable and easy to perform. Demonstrating the procedure will be Matt Deragon, Rob Haluska, and Alexa Hodges, 3 graduate students from my laboratory.
To begin, centrifuge the prepared cell suspension to create a pellet. Remove the supernatant, and resuspend the pellet in room temperature PBS. Centrifuge the cell suspension at 400 times gravity for 10 minutes. Then, remove the supernatant and resuspend the cell pellet in ice-cold buffer. Prepare buffer A solution according to the text protocol. Centrifuge the cell suspension at 400 times gravity for 10 minutes, and remove the supernatant. Resuspend the pellet in buffer A solution to a final concentration of 200 million cells per milliliter, and pipette gently to break up any clumps. After this, incubate the cell suspension on an end-over-end rotator at 4 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Centrifuge the suspension at 400 times gravity for 10 minutes. Collect the supernatant in a clean centrifuge tube. Next, centrifuge the supernatant at 18,000 times gravity for 20 minutes. Transfer the supernatant to a clean centrifuge tube. After this, collect the supernatant containing the cytosol.